Hello sa'yo student. Ako si Sir Bryan at nandito ako para turuan ka sa math subject mo. Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa ay hit mo muna ang subscribe button pati na din ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos na i-upload ko. Natiyak na makakatulong sa'yo. Simulan na natin ang klase. Ang topic natin ngayon ay tungkol sa sets and subsets. Ano-ano ba ang mga matututunan mo sa aralin na ito? Una, definition of set. Pangalawa, two ways of describing sets. Pangatlo, cardinality of sets. Pang-apat, subsets. At panglima, power sets. Definition of set. A set is any well-defined collection or group of distinct objects. The object in a set can be anything, numbers, letters, symbols, names, things, and any other. Halimbawa, we have set A consists of A, B, C, D. Ang object na nasa loob ng set A ay tinatawag na elements or members of the set. Sets are usually denoted by capital letters A, B, C, until letters X, Y, Z. The elements on the other hand are usually represented by lowercase letters A, B, C, until X, Y, Z, katulad ng binigay kong halimbawa sa itaas. Next naman ay describing sets. There are two ways of describing sets, using the roster form and the set builder form. In the roster form, the elements are listed separated by a comma and enclosed in a pair of braces. Examples: Set F consists of the founding members of ASEAN. Solution: iisa-isahin natin ang mga members of ASEAN at ilalagay sa loob ng set F kaya magiging set F equals Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand. Since pangalan ng mga bansa ang ating elements or members of set kaya capital letter ang umpisa. Next example naman ay set G consists of all the counting numbers. Ang magiging solution ay set G equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on and so forth. Since ang ating element ay counting numbers at wala itong katapusan kaya hindi na natin kailangan pang isulat lahat. Next ay set builder form. A set is defined by stating the property that describes all members of the set. Example: set H consists of the following elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, and so on and so forth. Next, what is the similarities of the elements in set H? Tama ka student, they are all odd number. Kaya ang solution natin ay set H is a set of all x such that x is an odd number. Kapag sinabi nating odd numbers, these are whole numbers that cannot be divided exactly into 2. Ibig sabihin lagi silang may remainder. Ngayon uulitin ko kung paano siya basahin. Set H is a set of all x such that x is an odd number. Next, set I consists of addition sign, subtraction sign, multiplication sign, division sign. Ngayon student, anong napansin mo sa mga elements? Tama ka, they are all arithmetic operation. Kaya ang magiging solution natin ay set I is a set of all x such that x is a symbol of fundamental arithmetic operation. Uulitin ko kung paano siya basahin. Set I is a set of all x such that x is a symbol of fundamental arithmetic operation. Note: the vertical symbol is read as such that finite sets and infinite sets. Finite sets are sets with definite number of elements. In my examples, set F and set I are example of finite sets. Dahil may tiyak na bilang sila ng mga elements, set F composed of 5 elements which is the member of ASEAN, and set I are composed of 4 elements which is the fundamental operation. Next is the infinite sets. The number of elements of those sets cannot come to an end. In my previous examples, set G and set H are examples of infinite sets. Dahil ang elements ng set G ay countang numbers at alam naman natin na walang katapusan ang pagbibilang kaya matatawag siyang infinite set. Ang set H naman ay composed of odd number elements at alam naman natin na hindi din matatapos ang pagbibilang ng odd number kaya matatawag din natin siyang infinite set. I hope student may natututunan ka sa mga itinuturo ko sa iyo ngayon at kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, like, comment and share mo na rin sa mga kapwa mo mag-aaral para matulungan ko din sila. Ipagpatuloy natin ang klase. Next ay Cardinality of Sets. Cardinality of a set is a measure of a set's size, meaning the number of elements in the set. Examples: set K is a set of all K's such that K is a day of the week. Solution: set K when written in roster form is set K equals to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, which composed of 7 elements, kaya ang cardinality of set K is 7 and it can be written like this. Pwedeng basahin as cardinality of set K is 7 or cardinality of set K equals 7. Next ay set M equals 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, and so on and so forth. Solution: the exact number of elements of M is unknown. Its cardinal number cannot be determined. Therefore, M is an infinite set and the cardinality of the set is infinity. And it can be written like this. Pwedeng basahin as cardinality of set M is infinity or cardinality of set M equals infinity. Ang tatlong tuldok na nakita mo sa dulo ng element ng set M ay tinatawag na ellipses. Ellipses, indicated after the last identified element, means that there are other elements of the set. May mga susunod pang mga elements pero hindi na natin kailangan pang isulat dahil ang set ay isang infinite set. Another example, set N equals 1, 2, 3, 4, until 12. Solution: in the set N, ang ellipses ay nasa pagitan ng elements 4 and 12. Ibig sabihin, may mga elements na nasa pagitan ng 4 and 12. At ang mga elements na ito can be identified. These elements are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Ibig sabihin, merong 12 elements sa set N or the cardinal number of set N is 12. Therefore, the cardinality of set N is 12 and it can be written like this. Pwedeng basahin as cardinality of set N is 12 or cardinality of set N equals 12. Next naman ay ang subsets. Subset is a set of which all the elements are contained in another set. If all the elements of set A are also elements of set B, then A is a subset of B. This relation between sets A and B can be written in symbol as, which is read as A is a subset of B or A is contained in B. Examples: set A is composed of elements A, B, C, D. Solution: the subsets of set A are A, B, C, D. A, B, C. A, B, D. A, C, D. B, C, D. A, B, A, C. A, D, B, C, B, D, C, D, A, B, C, D, and null set, which composed of 16 subsets. Next ay set R composed of the elements 7, 11. Solution: the subsets of set R are 7, 11, 7, 11, and null set, which composed of 4 subsets. Ngayon, what is null set? Or empty set? It is a set that does not contain anything. Its symbol is like this. Next naman ay proper subset. Set A is a proper subset of set B, if A is a subset of B o ang mga ibang elements ng A ay nasa B and B is not equal, ibig sabihin hindi lahat ng elements ni A ay nakay B. Ang gagamitin nating examples ay ang mga examples na ginamit ko sa subset para mas madali ninyong maunawaan. Remember, set A composed of the elements A, B, C, D. And the subsets are A, B, C, D. A, B, C. A, B, D. A, C, D. B, C, D. A, B, A, C. A, D. B, C. B, D. C, D. A, B, C, D, and null set or empty set. What are the proper subsets of A students? Tama ka. The proper subset of set A are A, B, C. A, B, D. A, C, D. B, C, D. A, B, A, C. A, D. B, C. B, D. C, D. A, B, C, D. All the subsets are contained in set A and each subset are not equal to set A. Next I set R, composed of the elements 7, 11. The subsets of set R are 7, 11, 7, 11, and null set or empty set. Now, what are the proper subsets of R students? Tama ka na naman. The proper subsets of set R are 7, 11. Both subsets are contained in set R and each subset are not equal to set R. Bago tayo pumunta sa last part ng video na ito, sana ay naintindihan mo ang mga naunang itinuro ko sa iyo at hindi ka pa inaantok o humihikab habang pinapanood mo ang parte ng video na ito. Next naman ay equality of sets. Two sets A and B are equal, that is A equals B, if and only if A is a subset of B, and B is a subset of A. Example, we have set A and set B. Set A composed of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And set B composed of elements 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang elements ng set A ay pareho sa elements ng set B, kaya ang subsets din nila ay the same. Our last topic is power sets. A power set is set of all subsets, empty set, and the original set itself. The power set of A is denoted by 2 raised to A where A is the number of elements in the set. Gamitin natin ang mga naunang halimbawa. Set A composed of elements A, B, C, D, therefore the subsets are A, B, C, D. A, B, C. A, B, D. A, C, D. B, C, D. A, B, A, C. A, D, B, C. B, D, C, D. A, B, C, D, and null set or empty set. In this example, the number of elements in the set A are 4. Using the formula 2 raised to 4 equals to 16, which is the number of subsets in this example. Another previous example is the set R which composed of elements 7, 11. The subsets are 7, 11, 7, 11, and null set or empty set. Using the formula, the number of elements in the set R is 2. Kaya student, magiging 2 raised to 2 which is equal to 4. Which is the number of subsets of set R. At dito na nagtatapos ang ating klase student, sana nakatulong ng malaki sa iyo ang video na ito. Pakipindot ang subscribe button at notification bell kung gusto mo pang mapanood ang mga susunod na upload ko. Huwag mo na rin kalimutang pindutin ang like at comment ka na din sa ibaba ng video na ito kung malaki ang naitulong sa iyo ng video ko, at higit sa lahat share mo na din ito sa kapwa mo mag-aaral na nangangailangan na matutunan ang topic na ito. Hanggang sa muli.